Hi there, Illinois residents. Ozzie Smith here. St. Clair County is running a COVID-19 mass vaccination site at the Belle Claire Fairgrounds. So please go to the fairgrounds to get your COVID-19 vaccination. The site is open every day but Wednesday. Get your vaccination.
Good afternoon. Welcome to day 416 at the EMA office, where we bring you the latest in the COVID numbers. Joined here with Chairman Mark Kern today and Brian Whitaker. And Brian, you have the numbers from the health department.
Yes, sir. In St. Clair County, we've tested 343,384. That's an increase of 429 since yesterday. Positive test results are 30,545. That is an increase of 30 since yesterday. Those are males and females under 10 up to their 70s. And that brings our daily county positivity to 7%. For negative test results, we're at 312,839. And COVID-19 related deaths remain at 476 in St. Clair County. For those that have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we're at 29,767. For state totals, they've tested 22,872,035. Positive test results of 1,341,777. That is an increase of 2,049 since yesterday. Sadly, the state did announce 28 additional COVID-19 related deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 22,047. For hospitalization numbers, those hospitalized in St. Clair County hospitals, we have 21 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness with no patients on ventilators. Regionally, there are 42 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness with 2 patients on ventilators. We have no changes today in our congregate living facilities. And as we talk about every day, testing remains vitally important to help stop the spread of this virus. If you feel like you have symptoms of COVID-19 or you've been exposed to someone who's tested positive for COVID-19, testing is available Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday at St. Clair Square from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., along with various pharmacies and urgent care facilities throughout the county. I'll now turn it over to Chairman Kern for his update.
Thanks, Brian. Well, let's take a look at the zip codes where we have COVID positive increases and one decrease today. 62201, we go up 5 COVID positives to 610. 62203, up 1 to 661. 62205 goes up 1 to 671. 62206, up 2 to 1401. 62207, up 3 to 628. 62208, up 2 to 1,725. 62220, up 2 to 2,179. 62221 goes up 2 to 2,922. 62223, up 3 to 1,847. 62226, up 3 to 3,351. 62232, up 1 to 938. 62240, up 1 to 178. 62254, down 1 to 820. 62258, up 2 to 1,097. 62269, up 2 to 3,418. And 62285, up 1 to 599. 30 new positives in the county today. 429 people tested, brings our county positivity way up to 7% today. But the rolling average does stay the same at 3.2%. Regional positivity, though, is up to 2.7%. Regional positivity is derived by adding up all the counties that surround us. So Bond County is at 0% today. Clinton County, 4.8%. Madison is at 3%. Monroe, 4.2%. Randolph, 0.6%. St. Clair County is at 5.5% today. and Washington County comes in at 0%. Hospitalizations did go down, Herb, in the county, which I think is is a good number, a good way to track this. So that's always a break to see hospitalizations going down.
And down, and no one on vents in the county, so that's always a good thing. Saw the new video. Well, we were glad to have Ozzie Smith join Team St. Clair and help get the word out about getting vaccinated.
The only way that we're going to get back to where we want to be is if more people get vaccinated. We aren't there yet. And although we've announced that we're going to be closing the mass vaccination site the end of this month on the 30th, all that means is you better get there now, because that's really a great place to go to get vaccinated in a timely fashion, get your cards filled out. You still have time to get both vaccinations at the fairgrounds. With Pfizer, you got to wait 3 weeks in between the first and the second dose. So get there as soon as you can and get this vaccination. It's the only way that we're going to get this community to be opened up fully is if we get that positivity rate extremely low, much lower than it is today. And the only way to do that is with the vaccine.
Well, and as we announced yesterday, the site will be closing on the 30th, but we'll have the 330 West Main site open. But it's a smaller location, but we'll still be able to take care of citizens there. But we encourage you. The news media picked up on it. They were over here today doing some interviews, wanting to know about the alternate site, and so that will be out there. Some of the business coming forward, we're going to start having some coupons, maybe to try to entice some people to get down there. And
I hear there might be some free ice cream in the offing.
that's what we're talking about. We've talked to several of them, and several of the businesses are calling us saying, what can we do to help get the word out? Because as you just said, the chairman, we've got to all work together. Team St. Clair has been doing a great job for 416 days, but these numbers fluctuate. Today 18 more people under the age of 40 out of the 30 that was tested positive. So it's still out there. And then when you see the numbers and the zip codes, it's still there. We still have to be vigilant to it, and we can't let our guard down. Otherwise, we're going to be going backwards. And there's nobody, as I said yesterday, and for all these days, nobody other than us sitting at this table, we want it over with right away. I mean, we wanted to be able to move on. We had 27 of our first responder agencies pick up some PPE equipment today. They were running low, so we were able to fill those orders for them. And we're just going to continue to try to get the word out there, and we need Team St. Clair's help to do that. And with your help, we can continue to do this and move forward. We're going to be back with Cindy in a few moments to translate this into our Spanish communities, and then we'll be back tomorrow for day 417. Have a good evening.
We must find a way to live with COVID-19 until a vaccine is ready. One proven thing we know is that masks do work. By wearing a mask, you can do your part to help your community by limiting the spread of the virus and thus helping our businesses remain open and our hospitals able to handle the capacity. To get through this virus, we must work together as a team, and you should do your part by wearing your mask, washing your hands, and watching your social distancing.